Hey everyone, your girl Glory Walker with marketingwithglory.com, and if you're watching this video, chances are you are interested in Renatus real estate education, and the title of this video has caught your attention. So, without further ado, allow me to introduce my mentor and sponsor, Mr. Ram Mishra.
I was about $40,000 in debt when I joined, and I went from $40,000 to being able to buy my first property 30 days after I got my education. I put $500 down on that deal, and now there is about $300,000 of equity in my first property in Brooklyn, and it's cash flowing me positive income. That cash flow, even though I only rent out the top portion, it still covers my mortgage. On top of that, now I own another 8 properties. Some are in my business, some are in my retirement account. I want my kids to be able to have financial freedom. You know, I want them to be able to do the things that they want to do. And Renatus, it actually gives you the ability to change other people's lives, which a lot of other companies just don't do that. I went to med school, and my dad was basically saying, hey, you know, why are you doing this real estate stuff when I sent you to med school? My dad didn't really realize what I was trying to do. My long-term goals also is to combine what I've learned in real estate, sales and marketing, and my medical profession. If you're looking for something in life to change your life with real estate, sales, home-based business, you're looking for a community to work with, this is something that will change your life forever. There are very few companies out there that will actually pay you to learn and to actually help build a community. You know, you can go to any guru programs out there, you can go to any of the clubs out there. There really is nothing like Renatus and what we're doing across the nation.
Hey, welcome back. So, please click the link below in order to get access to the quick 15-minute intro that will help you get started and provide answers to your most pressing questions. And as I always say, I thank you for stopping by and spending your time with me. And until the next video, bye-bye for now.